Okay, sabi ko, at last, nagsalita na si Vice Presidente, mga ka-clear. Okay? Ang kanyang denial, general denial lang. Sa tinagal-tagal ng hindi niya pagsabi or pagsagot patungkol dito kay Madriaga. Tinagal-tagal, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yung pala, general denial lang, sabi niya, hindi niya, wala silang personal relationship. Pero basahin natin mga clear. Basahin natin ha. Ha? Maraming sinabi sa Tony Harry Roque. Tignan natin kung magmamatch. Ha? Kung pareho ang mga sinabi ni Bibi Sara at saka ni Harry Roque. Okay, dito tayo. Pakinggan lang muna natin yung news mga clear ha. Isa mas tapi may video eh. Pero mamaya news. Print.
Vice President Sara Duterte is denying ties to an alleged former aide, Ramil Madriaga, calling it an attempt to undermine her possible presidential bid in the 2028 elections. Madriaga was Vice President Duterte's alleged former aide who claimed in an affidavit before the Office of the Ombudsman that he had delivered large amounts of money to various individuals under her instruction. In a statement on Monday, December 22, Vice President Duterte says she does not have a personal relationship with Madriaga, nor has she given him any instructions. The Vice President refutes any imputation stemming from the photos showing they supposedly appeared together, saying that they were unrelated images taken during public events where she was present. The Vice President asserts that Madriaga has presented no evidence and offers only accusations. She adds that Madriaga's allegations amount to nothing more than noise. She also says that Madriaga, who reportedly has a criminal record, is now acting out of desperation to secure his release. According to the Vice President, Madriaga is now disseminating false statements to government authorities as part of a concerted effort to obstruct and undermine her possible candidacy for president. The Vice President's statement comes after one of Madriaga's lawyers bared that Duterte made 2 visits to Madriaga's detention cell at the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology facility in Camp Bagong Diwa, Taguig City.
Okay, doon lang muna tayo mga clear ha. So dito tayo sa words niya para basahin natin isa-isa. Okay. VP Sara, Madriaga's claims meant to derail my possible presidential run. Diba? Sinagot ba niya? Yung mga binintang sa kanya? Hindi. Unahin natin to. Una, ang sabi niya, dito tayo I do not have personal relationship with Ramil Madriaga. Diyan tayo muna mga. I do not have personal relationship with Ramil Madriaga. So when we say personal relationship, it's more on something serious. Matinding pagkakaibigan, matinding amo, alalay, matinding mag-boyfriend, matinding, ay kumbaga seryosong, bagman. Diba? So, dinidinay niya personal relationship with Ramil Madriaga. Nor have I ever given him any instruction of any kind. At hindi ko ever, hindi niya ito ever inutusan ng kahit ano ba, o bigyan siya ng instruction. Ito lang ba? Okay. Sige, hanapin nga natin para mas masano. Wait lang mga clear. Ayan, di ba? Dito mga clear, ay share ko muna. Ito, di ba? I do not have personal relationship with Ramil Madriaga, nor have I ever given him instructions of any kind. I have never visited him in prison, nor have I spoken to him about anything at any time. Pansinin niyo mga clear. May dininay ba siya na kilala niya si Madriaga? Sa words na yan. Di ba wala? Wala. Wala siyang dininay na hindi niya kilala si Madriaga. Kasi sinasabi niya lang, wala kaming personal relationship. So ano yung personal relationship na binabanggit niya? Bagman to amo? Siyempre, didinay mo yun. Diba? So, ang sabi dito, ninang ka nung anak ni Madriaga, deny mo yun. Pero mga kung may picture to, o kaya nasa baptismal certificate na nasa church or saan man yan, nandun ang pangalan ni Sara Duterte, hindi niya makakila na ninong. Diba? Ay, no, ang ninong pala, si Madriaga, diba? Si Madriaga pala yung ninong ng anak niya. Kung may picture yan, mahirapan siya. So, dininay niya ba yung pagiging ninong ni Madriaga sa anak niya? Or it's the other way around? Pero sabi parang, Madriaga, ninong sa anak ni Duterte. Oh, ayan ha. Nor have I ever given him instructions of any kind. So, hindi daw niya inutusan. Diba? So, sa words na yan, mga kaklear, ito sa words na yan.
Any instructions. The Vice President
Ano?
refutes Madriaga, nor has she given him any
Oh, di ba? So, dito mga kaklear, never niyan dininay na kilala niya. Never niyan dininay na kilala siya ni Ramil. Wala lang silang personal relationship. Diba? Kasi malamang, sasabi niya dito personal relationship, bagman siya. Diba? So kasi pag natin personal relationship is a close, evolving bond between individuals built on emotional connection, mutual support, shared experiences, and intimacy. So, hindi naman niya nabanggit na hindi niya bagman. Diba? Okay? Hindi naman niya nabanggit na hindi niya nabanggit mga kakli yung yung isip. Diba? Hindi nabanggit ni Bibi Sara yung tungkol sa isip. Oh. Tapos, kaya na tayo dyan I have never visited him in prison, nor have I spoken to him about anything at any time. So, itong anything, anytime. Nung pwede ko bang isama dito yung anything, anytime na nagpa-picture sila at I have not, nor I have spoken to him. So, at the time na yung inauguration mo, nandoon si Madriaga. Pag ba nag-congratulate si Madriaga, di mo sasagutin? Okay, mahirap ito mga Creed. Very general to. Nor have I spoken to him about anything at any time. Diba? Mahirap i-prove yan. Next. Dito na tayo susunod The photographs he submitted are unrelated images taken during public events where I was present. These images do not support his allegations and merely show that he was present as part of an election campaign group. O di, okay na yun, di ba? Yun na talaga yung picture niya Sa picture niya na nakikipag online meeting siya. So, ang tanong ko, na-deny ba ni Bibi Sara na nakapag-online meeting siya? O baka may record pa doon si Madriaga. Di ba? These images do not support his allegations and merely show that he was present as part of an election campaign group. So it means ba, mga clear? These images do not support allegations and merely show that he was present as part of election campaign group. So, kung inamin ni VP Sara na parte si Madriaga ng election campaign group, wala siyang personal relationship dun. Diba? Yung mga election campaign group yan nagpapakamatay para sabihin mo walang personal relationship. Diba? Mga kaklear? Nalalabuan ako doon. Kasi hindi niya inisa-isa lahat ang allegations ni Madriaga. Okay? Tuloy.
Vice President refutes any imputation stemming from the photos showing they supposedly appeared together, saying that they were unrelated images taken during public events where she was present. The Vice President asserts that Madriaga has
Mr. Prega has offered no proof, no documents. Yun nga. Yung pagiging, convenor ng isip. Don't tell me, hindi siya nakisama sa isip. Si VP Sara. Mr. Madriaga has offered no proof, no documents, no corroboration, only accusations. Bare allegations, no matter how loudly repeated, amount to nothing more than noise. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, sa dinami-dami ng pruweba na napakita ni Madriaga, tandaan natin, may cellphone pa daw siya. Cellphone pa siya. Okay, next.
Presented no evidence and offers only accusations. She adds that Madriaga's allegations amount to nothing more than noise. She also says that Madriaga, who reportedly has a criminal...
Mr. Madriaga, who is currently facing serious criminal charges and has prior criminal... Walang prior criminal record, VP Sara. Acquitted nga siya. Unless you can prove other cases. Pero kidnapping na ipinahid sa kanya, panalo siya Dismiss. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung dahilan kung bakit. Dahil lumalabas mga kakrim, si Mr. Madriaga pa ang sumagip. At yan ay nakita ng Supreme Court. yung ebidensya na yan. Dahil mismo yung common law wife ni Vincent Uy at yung anak, siya pa nagsabi na nakipagtulungan pa si Madriaga na, na makuha ang nabuhay. Si Madriaga. Kaya medyo alanganin to. Yan.
Criminal record is now acting out of desperation to secure his release. According to the Vice President, Madriaga is now disseminating false statements to
He is now disseminating false statements to government authorities as part of a concerted effort to obstruct and undermine my possible candidacy for president. So, ngayon pala mga kapatid, talaga gusto na niya. So, ito ba yung dahilan kung ba't siya umiikot-ikot sa buong mundo at nag-world tour, pati kapatid niya? It's because kailangan niya makuha din hanggat maaga ang mga boto ng mga OFWs. Di ba? Hirap to, mga klin. May video si Pebbles 4 hours ago. May occasion silang tawag niya kay Madriaga, Kuya Ram, may resibo. Di ba? The Survivor. Ano yung mga katotohanan? Kung general denial lang, ay, di ko yan kilala. Ayan o. Kaya daw ito nagpapakalat ng gulo dahil tatakbo siyang presidente. Di ba? Ito yung mga nakakampanya sa kanya. Di ba? Tinan mo mga katwiran, no? Sinisiraan lang ako niyan. Kasi tatakbo kong, sabi niya, sinisiraan lang siya kasi tatakbo siya pagka-presidente sa 2028. Ang aga ng pamumulitika, nakita niyo? Hindi niya makatulong sa Pangulo kung paano ang dapat gawin. Di ba? Kaya, anyway, sabi nga natin, may mga pagkakataon naman talaga, mga clear, na yung good news talagang lumalapit pa kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Kaya ito sila, ayan, medyo very sad dahil ang Pangulo, Lord Glenn, ay nandiyan pa rin. At mahal pa ng taong bayan, pati ng militar. Di ba? Marami siyang hindi tinanggi. Summarize natin. Una, sabi ni Harry Roque, nagkainkwentro na yan, at tinatanong, ayan mga kaklira, tinatanong daw ni VP Sara kung sino si Henry, dahil nananakot ay Henry. Henry Alcantara tuloy. Si Madriaga. Baka sabi ni Roque, tinanong siya ni VP Sara, sino ba yan? Bakit ako pinagbabantaan? Okay, una tanong natin kay VP Sara, yung pinagbabantaan ba, unang-una, hindi mo ba kilala? Ang tanong is, hindi mo ba kilala? Iba yung personal knowledge, mas malalim yan eh. Ang tanong, Vice Presidente, hindi mo ba talaga kilala si Madriaga? Pangalawa, di ba? Hindi ba totoong inaanak niya yung anak mo? Or the other way around? Di ba? Pangalawa yun, mga kaklir. Pangatlo, di ba, sabi natin ni Harry Roque, pinagbantaan daw ang buhay ni VP Sara. Vice Presidente, total si Harry Roque nagsasabi na yan, na pinagbantaan ka daw ng yung buhay mo dito si Madriaga. Ang tanong, nasaan yung report ng security mo? Dami-dami mo security. Nagagawa ka ba ng death threats? Kung totoo, di ba, mga kaklir? Nagagawa ka pa ng death threats. So, paano yung pang madidinay ito? Ang dami-daming maaaring ipangontra nitong si Madriaga. Dahil syempre, pag kilala mo talaga to, saka sinasabi niya pala dito, wait lang, ito niya to. Sinasabi niya dito na gusto niyang, ayan o, maliban yan, ito pa sinabi niya mga kaklir. Madriaga recently asked, ayan pa, NBI to conduct forensic examinations of his cell phones to preserve data he says could support his claim. Okay, matapang. Ito ba, meron dito eh. Ito. She, VP Sara to, also said Madriaga appears to be acting out of desperation to secure his release from detention. Anong connect? And is attempting to obstruct and undermine the possibility candidacy for the president. Makakita mo desperation to secure his release from detention. May ambisyon itong makikita mo dito, di ba? Napakalaki ng ambisyon nitong si VP Sara. Hindi na makakaila. Ba? Imagine, ito yung word na ginamit niya. Obstruct and undermine my possible candidacy for president. Siya pa lang ang nagdi-declare. Yung iba nagtatrabaho. Pero siya tinatrabaho niya yung pangangampanya niya.